So what are your thoughts on not putting your eggs in one basket?
So there's a lot of people who go out there and say, hey, the average millionaire has 7 income streams or whatever that whole thing is. And here's the truth, guys. The average millionaire did not get there to $1 million with 7 income streams. What people don't realize is they did not diversify and they call it protect your wealth is what they actually call it. They did not protect their wealth until they had wealth to protect. You guys need to understand you need to go full into one business model and master that business model. That's where all the money will come to them. Jeff Bezos mastered Amazon selling books before he started to go broad and selling a bunch of random stuff on his website. I don't think you should be protecting $100,000. That's unfortunately not enough money to be protecting and diversifying into real estate, all these other things. That will take a lot of mental energy from you. If you're focusing on one main business and it got you $100K, double down on that business to get to $1 million. Don't then take that $100K away from the business into other income streams that will then take your time and money away from it, right? So I think people mess up. You diversify when you have at least sometimes $1 million net worth. That's when you really want to diversify. And even then, be very careful on how much mental energy it's taking away from the main income stream that even got you that money in the first place.